Okay guys, so you're welcome to today's training, and today we want to be looking at how to install WordPress into our website. So this is a new domain, okay? Unlike before, we're installing it on a subfolder, but this we'll be doing it directly, and you will see how this is being done directly. So I just recently bought a new domain, and now I want to install WordPress without downloading WordPress, but inside this my cPanel. Okay, so this is my cPanel already opened, and now I'll go back. I'll just go down, scroll down. I'll look for what? Softaculous. Okay, it's an app installer. Softaculous App Installer. So I'll click on it. So this is a normal drop down. It's a normal drop down. So once you click on Softaculous, you will be directed here, and you can see this is my URL. This is sunnysideharvest.com. So just leave it this way. Version. Okay, you leave the version. That is the recent version. Okay, this is the recent version of WordPress. So the only thing you have to change here is this, the admin. That is the username. Then you have to put your password there. Okay, you have to put your password. Okay. So that is the password. So don't change any other thing, okay? Don't input any other thing. So you scroll down. Then you click on what? Your install. Okay. So once you receive something of this nature, the following errors were found. Installation cannot proceed because the following file already exists in the target folder index. Please delete this file or choose another folder or select the box. So just select this box to overwrite on it. Then click on my install. So give it time to install. So already installed. Okay guys, so you can see that it's showing that what already installed. So the installation is already successful. Okay, now if I click, this is the URL, the login, that is sunnysideharvest.com/wp admin. If I click on it and I logged in, you can see that the dashboard has been opened. So guys, so this is the simplest way to work for you to be able to install your WordPress without downloading and installing it in your cPanel folders. Okay guys, so this is how to work. Install your WordPress in a simple and a quick way. Okay, just on your cPanel, if you are using a new domain, just go to your Softaculous, just only input your username and the password. Then you click on what? Your install, and to be installed, and your dashboard will be what? Formed. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you like this tutorial, continue to subscribe to our channel, continue to what? Hit the like button and comment, and make sure you're following us so that you always get the next tip on the next tutorial once we drop our videos online. So thank you guys for staying tuned. See you guys soon. Okay.